By watching this video, you will learn about the 6 main lessons of the book, The Richest Man in Babylon. This is one of the oldest and most famous books on finance. Lesson 1. Pay yourself first. For every amount you earn, you must set aside at least 10%. 10% of your earnings must be invested wisely before you buy anything else. This is to get you into the habit of saving first and then spending the rest of your money. You may ask, because all the money that I have earned is already mine. But this is not entirely true. You need to pay taxes, pay for the house, insurance, and buy food and other household expenses. If you find it hard to start saving 10%, then you can start small, like 3 or 5%, and in doing so, you will get used to saving and, over time, will be able to save even more. This way you can develop your investment thinking. Another powerful way of thinking is to view every dollar you invest as a soldier in your own army that will fight for you to make you even stronger and richer. And the more you spend, the less soldiers you have left. Lesson 2. Only listen to the advice of professionals. When you have already started saving your income, it is already very good. But if we just save, it will be many years before we collect a lot of money, and therefore we need to invest our money. Before you start investing in something, you need to understand this project yourself and what and how it works. You won't listen to a builder's advice about what stocks or what business idea you need to invest in to make good money. You will simply lose your money. You need to listen to people who are already making money in this and are well-versed, and not just want to deceive you. Lesson 3. People who act are more successful, as they create their own success. People who do a lot of things, launch a lot of projects, go to conferences and get to know each other, are more likely to be lucky and get success in their actions than people who do nothing and watch TV shows and hope that tomorrow they will win the lottery or they will just get lucky and get rich. All people have an equal opportunity. The difference is how many attempts you make. And people who do nothing will think that you are just lucky. If you really want to be rich, then act and you will succeed. Lesson 4. Don't expect big results. Work on getting a steady cash flow instead. Many hope to win the lottery or receive a large inheritance, but such luck is short-lived and over time you will simply lose your money. Most people squander their wealth throughout the year. Getting rich yourself is the same as learning to ride a bicycle. If you have learned once, then the second time will not be difficult. Lesson 5. Invest in your ability to earn more. What does it mean? You must invest time and effort to your knowledge, skills, and ability to earn more money. This is one of the main rules. Although it is constantly forgotten, most people stop learning right after high school or university, while others learn all their lives and constantly develop. There is a huge advantage in such people. Lesson 6. If you let greed cloud your mind, you will lose all your savings. Greed has a very bad effect on your actions. Then you can believe in anything, and if someone offers you big profit, then this idea may turn out to be a scam. If you have studied the biographies of successful investors such as Warren Buffett, then they are very conservative in their investments. They prefer to move slowly and decisively than to throw all their strength into risky undertaking. This was the last lesson. The main gist of the book is: first, set aside and invest 10% of your earnings in promising and proven ideas that will really multiply your ideas. Second, think of every dollar you earn as an employee who works only for you, and he is interested in how to increase your capital, and not vice versa. If you like this video and want to see more works on our channel, then subscribe to the channel, and if you got some experience, then don't forget to share this video with your friends.